Okay, I'm trying to show you a method I've come up with to repair a remote control that doesn't function anymore. When you push the button down, it wouldn't send a signal. And real quickly, the way it works is that this silicon piece is under here, and when you push the button down, this is recessed from the surface of the circuit board here. And when you push this down, this is a part made onto the silicon that is conductive, and it touches right here between these two interlaced circuits like this, and makes connectivity across there. And so what's happened is somehow the conductivity of this button has worn out. And it could be because it seems that silicon eventually sweats and has a buildup. So you can, if it's real early in the life of the remote, you might get success just by cleaning it off really good like this, putting it back together, see the black stuff. But what I found is that you can take a small piece of metal foil tape. This is like from Home Depot. It's foil on here with an adhesive paper on the back. You can pull off the paper. And because it won't stick to the silicon, what I did on these are the most frequently used, is I took an X-Acto knife and poked a little slot into the button, being careful not to come all the way out the other side, of course, and then peeled the paper backing off the foil. That's a used piece, and was able to open up the little slot here. You can see where I've been trying it. I'm having a little difficulty getting it in. Pull back the slot, stick the part of this. This is kind of shaped like an L, and it's not real firm, so it's kind of hard. It's like working with aluminum foil, and getting it down in there. You can see that, and then letting it go, and it kind of helps hold it. And I think it must adhere a little bit in there, and then folding it down like this here. And this part doesn't really stick very well, but the metal surface is sufficient to make the circuit work right here. So that may be all I'm going to show you, because I am having trouble getting it in there. It's precarious, and you've got to spend a little time doing it, and I'm no pro at this. So good luck to you. I'll try to leave this on for a little while, the video, and see if I can speed it up when I post it so you don't have to watch